There's actually a setting that we can use that allows us to have a separate margin balance for each of our positions, so that if one position declines and triggers liquidation, then we would only lose the margin balance for that one position. We'd be able to keep our other positions open and we wouldn't lose the margin balance for those other positions. So when we go up here and click on this button, we can choose our margin mode. Currently, we are in cross margin mode, which means that our entire margin balance, which right now is $100 tether, will be used as collateral across all of our open positions. When we switch from cross margin to isolated margin mode, then like I've mentioned before, we'll have a separate margin balance for each individual position. So with each position in isolated margin mode, we're only risking the margin that we allocated to this one position. However, in that case, it usually takes less of a price move against us to get liquidated, because the allocated margin is lower than in cross margin mode, where all of the assets count as collateral. Whether we want to use cross margin mode or isolated margin mode really comes down to how we want to manage our risk. So for now, I'm going to stick with cross margin mode.